But first, balloons. Down, down, down. Maybe up just a tad. Yes. There's a big.
That one.
Little guy. He's very helium-mated.
This is a big number.
It is a big number. It's such a big number. Welcome to Highway 30. I'm Sarah.
And I'm Amy, and we're here to help you get creative. Today is a really special day here at Highway 30.
Really special day. We have an announcement. I don't know if you notice anything different. You might not. So we might have to point it out.
Yay! Thank you to all of our 1,000 subscribers. We finally made it. So exciting. So we had to celebrate a little bit, and our balloons are hilariously gigantic.
Come over here, little guy. You're a big deal.
He is a big deal. Just like each and every one of you are a big deal to us. So thank you to number 1,000 and 999 and 998. You know, you get it. On and on.
Right. We could
Even number 1, which
yeah.
I think was probably me.
I was probably number 2, although Mom was probably number 1.
Yeah, 3.
I don't know. Was she not number 1?
She may have been number 1. I don't know.
Maybe. You want to hug it out? Yay!
All right, now back to the craft.
Yes,
Because we do have something to do today.
There is a craft.
All right, we're crafting with box 164 today.
You'll know what that number means shortly.
Yeah, you'll get it.
It's very colorful.
That's why they named it 164.
Yes. It's colorful. It's quick. It's a great party pack.
Yes, today we're going to be making these really cool keychains.
We're beading.
We're beading, but they're these rubber beads. They look like little flat rubber discs. So
They're very cool.
colorful and fun, and something that you can do as a group, or if you just want to sit, and it can be just a fun, mindless craft.
Yeah.
With a little bit of jewelry challenge in there too.
Just for a hot minute.
Yeah,
It all worked out okay.
exactly. So why don't we go ahead and get our supplies and show you what we're going to put in the box, and then we can get started on the craft.
Sounds good.
Let's go. All right, here we go. How many are we counting out here? Exactly.
We have to be able to count to 164 sitting beside each other
Without counting out loud.
without counting out loud
We have to
or
not
laughing or anything like that.
Let's see how many times it takes us to do this.
Ready?
All right, here we go.
Okay. Hold on, hold on. I can hear you smacking your numbers. And then I'm like, okay. Okay. Do you know what you were on?
Uh-huh.
Okay, same.
What were you on?
40.
I was on 50. I'm faster.
It's not a race.
Okay.
Okay, go. $100?
Yeah. Okay. You're at 102. I think
I'm at 100. That's what I just
Off
did.
to the
I'm
side.
gonna cup these puppies over.
Cup them over. Cup the puppies.
Cup the puppies by themselves.
All right.
Those puppies don't get confused with these puppies.
No.
Okay.
64.
New pile of puppies. We need 64 puppies.
Okay, here we go. All right, now we're going to take our piece of memory wire which is already has a curl on one end. So we're gonna send our beads to the other end and just fill it up.
Without letting them fall off.
Exactly. Yep. Now we wanted to try to give you 2 different ideas on what you could do here.
Yeah, your collection of little clay beads are going to be random.
Yeah.
I think, do you want to organize yours or I'll organize mine?
I like organizing things. So I will organize mine into different colors and just load them on like that. It's still going to be random. There's a different number of each color. I'm sure it's not going to be even.
I am going to throw all caution to the wind.
She's just going to wing it.
I can close my eyes and do this.
Yeah.
Ready?
Ready. So I guess I should organize mine first. Here I go.
We could organize yours together. I could unorganize mine.
How do you unorganize them?
They're unorganized already.
Yeah. All right, so greens, blues. I might just, there's several different shades of blue.
You could just stay basic.
Yeah, I'm gonna say the blues, the grays, the browns, the whites, which might go yellow with those.
I really want
these bright neon guys.
Is that a green blue or a green? That's good.
So yeah, so then I could just random.
There's a purple pile.
Random with each color.
I like organizing too.
Can't rob her of that.
I'll just further mix mine.
Okay, yeah. Make sure yours are nice and mixed. Don't let any escape.
I don't know. I'm gonna start.
Red.
Are we gonna turn into the quiet crafters again and stuff?
I don't know. Should we be quiet or should we tell you a story? I don't have any stories right now.
You have any beading stories?
I don't think as kids we played with beads very much. Mom did. Of course, Mom made beaded necklaces.
Yes. Yes.
And sold them at one point. Somewhere.
Cute stuff. Etsy.
Oh yeah. I was thinking like way a long time ago.
Oh, way long time ago with her macrame.
Yes. And I remember her
We
telling us...
did do macrame because I remember pinning it to a pillow.
And I remember her telling us that story about how she made these necklaces, and I think she took them to some store to sell, but they made the mistake of, instead of selling the necklaces she made, they took orders. And she's just like, me, I don't know if you're exactly like this, but I only like doing things once.
Right.
Usually.
Oh, yeah, so.
And she had to remake all of these necklaces
that she had already made
orders.
before?
Yeah.
Because I'm putting craft beads together. We could do that over and over.
Oh, well, yeah.
But I'm not going to make the craft over and over.
No.
Most of them. Unless it's one of our cool Christmas ornaments.
I have to, yeah. Then you go into like an assembly line thing, and that's fun.
That's a good point.
We should have blindfolded you for this part.
We should have. Should I do blindfolded from here on out? I won't look.
Yeah,
I'll just gaze lovingly upon your gorgeous eyelashes. I like that. I like it with the color blocks.
I think I might have mixed these with these though.
It's not too late. You just have to take the purples off. Well, and the yellows. I mean, this is forever.
I'm doing it, guys.
Do it. I mean, that's the cool thing.
It's not done until it's done.
That's right. So what I'm gonna do is just pinch it kind of as tight as it'll go so everything's collected on the one side. And then wherever that, you're gonna have some excess here. I'm just gonna grab that and just try to make a 90 degree. Kind of right there.
Okay.
And then what's gonna happen is just bending it a little at one time is gonna make it easier. I'm gonna pinch it a little higher up, actually about right there. The diameter gets bigger, so that's how big your little loop is gonna be on the end.
Okay.
Right? So it needs to be pretty tiny actually. The snipper end. You gonna step on that one day. I am so sorry. Yes.
2 tools are necessary.
Correct.
That's why you get 2.
You get 2.
If you want them. All right, we've got these little tiny jump rings.
Yes.
But first,
you gotta put those on.
the key ring.
Yeah. So that's an important part. Just loop it on.
We didn't put this on before because that would have been fun to deal with.
Right, with that flopping around, so didn't matter.
All right, so all you have to do is take your 2 tools and just barely open this little guy up enough that you can slip it on.
And always when you open a jump ring, go like side to side instead of pulling it apart.
Yeah.
That's enough right there. Got it on there.
My fingers.
Take it off. That's okay.
Yeah,
Very good.
that's not gonna
Look how cute
come
that
apart.
is. That's it. Lasso your keys.
Yes. Okay. So there you have it.
I love the scale
Yes.
of this kind of little craft.
Yeah. Super quick and easy, and you can make it your own. I like how we both found a different way to put it together.
Yes, yes we did.
What else would we say about it, Sarah?
It's colorful, it's fun, it's great for kids, it's a great,
Yes.
we already said all of that.
Colorful and fun. Right, you might have to help with the twisting of the
Yes.
wire. That was the only little bit of a challenge here, but it's always okay to have a challenge.
It's okay to have a challenge.
Yeah.
They make a cool clicking sound.
You can
Yeah.
twirl them on your finger.
You can lasso something, your keys. I actually mentioned that my kiddo may steal this for her backpack.
Yeah. Don't the kids
So-
these days love hanging 10,000 things off their backpack?
Kids these days.
Well, this is another one.
Yeah.
And you can use it for your key for your car or your house if you want. Or
What do you have keys to?
your panic room.
Oh, good one.
Or your
Or-
secret.
Oh, that cabinet where you keep your chocolates. Or
Candy cabinet.
your bedside cabinet.
Gummy
if
bears.
Your husband likes to go in and clean it out for you.
Gummy bears are only for you. So it could be for your gummy bears.
Yeah.
keep them under lock and key. We hope you enjoyed crafting with us today, and we will see you next week.
See you next week. Oh, wait.
Okay.
Oh, wow. I think I won't stay here. You gotta get in here because you matter. 'Cause without you, we're just 0, 0, 0. Nobody likes a 0.
No.
Everybody likes a hero.
No. They have shifted.
What are they doing?
They're standing in a line. Come on, guys. What are you doing? It doesn't look right that way.
No, it doesn't at all, and it's just not even
No,
centered.
it's okay.
Okay.